Austin police want potential witnesses to come forward in a corpse abuse case. We've been following this investigation for days now, and 2 people are charged for alleged experiments on corpses.
KXAN Sarah Al-Sheh was at APD's news conference today, and she explains what law enforcement had to say about this investigation, specifically as it relates to potential victims.
Today I will address a deeply troubling and distressing case that has affected our entire community here within Austin.
The Austin Police Department wants information from the public. They have asked former Capitol Mortuary Services employees, potential victims, or anyone with information about the case to contact investigators.
If you believe your loved one has been affected, or if you have any additional information about this investigation, we urge you to contact us immediately.
On Wednesday, law enforcement gave its first briefing on this corpse abuse investigation. The lead detective on this case, Bryce Bishop, confirmed at least one body was abused more than 3 weeks ago at Capitol Mortuary Services. Officials say they're still trying to identify who that person was. Adeline Bowie, the owner of Capitol Mortuary Services, is accused of forging death certificates and running, quote, experiments on severed limbs. Investigators said Bowie worked with medical training facility MedtoMarket on the experiments. According to APD, it involved her injecting formaldehyde into arms to see the effect it had over time on severed extremities. MedtoMarket CEO Aaron Ali faces charges of abuse of corpse without legal authority and aggravated perjury.
And Dr. Ali provided human arms to Capitol Mortuary Services, a facility not approved by the state, for experimental testing involving embalming fluid.
Officials say Ali acknowledged instructing Capitol Mortuary staff to preserve and observe the progression of embalmed limbs over time, but he denied labeling the activities as experiments. When police asked the Texas Funeral Service Commission if this was legal, the commission said no because Capitol Mortuary is not licensed to perform this kind of work. According to Bowie's attorney, this has to do with efforts to find more eco-friendly and cost-effective ways to preserve cadavers longer for training purposes. Bowie's attorney says none of the bodies in the care of Eternal Peace Funeral Services, the other facility Bowie is licensed to, were involved in any of the embalming-related work done on corpses. Still, families we spoke with have many questions.
Was that done to our mom? Was she part of this experiment? As your mind runs off in a million places. And I still can't process it.
Detective Bishop says using Capitol Mortuary does not necessarily mean your family member or loved one was involved as a victim. Still, APD's victim services counselors are available to answer questions and provide basic information.
We are obviously getting inundated with quite a number of calls and emails and people reaching out trying to get information. Thankfully, the APD Victim Services offered to assist with that.
Moving forward, our priority is to support the families of the deceased by providing clear information, resources, and justice they deserve.
Sarah Al-Sheh, KXAN News.
Austin police also mentioned another allegation against Bowie. Detectives say there are claims that she used her status as a real estate agent to have families list their homes with her to pay for funeral expenses. She has not been charged with anything related to that. However, APD is asking if that did happen to anyone, please contact the department. We do have a full breakdown of this entire case under the Investigate section at KXAN.com.